Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the video. We are good, excited to pick for you. So make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to sign in Apple ID on iPhone, iPad if you forget your password. So guys, and if you not remember your password on Apple ID, so how can sign in Apple ID on iPhone? So step by step and follow them. First, open settings on your iPhone and iPad and then tap on profile icon on Apple ID. After that, scroll down and tap on sign in. Now he is asking email and phone number. So type forget your password. Now tap it. After that, tap on see your Apple ID, Gmail. Now tap here. Tap continue. After that, he is asking confirm phone number. Enter your trusted phone number to continue. Tap continue. Now send to code your trusted phone number. Reset your password verification code. Send to your trusted phone number. Then tap on send to code your trusted phone number. After that, sending the code your phone number and check your phone number. Now we can see verified. So wait few seconds. Enter iPhone passcode. And wait few seconds. Now enter your new password. Re-enter passcode and then tap continue. Again, strong password. Re-enter passcode. Tap continue. Now we can see your password has been changed from your use to enter sign into account. Now tap it. Now as you can see, he is signed in an Apple ID on iPhone. So guys, if you have any problem, tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.